media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, here's the intake. Look at this beautiful thing. Very old school looking. Love the ribs and everything. Cast aluminum with the ribbed in here. That's perfect for the rest of the look on this thing. So this is where these mount up. So you got gaskets to go in between here. And then these mount up essentially like that. You know, obviously in place with bolts, but you'll have 4 of those and that'll be the level part. So then this is kind of the valley that's kind of built into it. And then this part is for your center link. So this is the K350 linkage here. So this is the actual linkage setup, which will have a post that comes up and then rods that connect the carburetors together, just like we did on the Fiat. And then rods that connect them here. So when it pulls this way, or technically that way, it'll pull backwards that way. It'll pull these in and rev it at the same time, which is going to be pretty awesome. This already looks pretty dang killer. They're going to look sweet, getting everything bolted up on here. So that's the best part about IDFs, is that most of your work is literally done on the bench before you ever get there. So going through the carburetors, make sure everything's set, make sure the floats are right, all that stuff. And then bolting up these, getting the gaskets right, getting all your bolts in here, bolting the carburetors up, making sure the linkers are worked out. All that can be done on the bench before you ever sit it down in the car, which is pretty awesome. So I want to thank Pierce Manifolds so much for helping me out with this intake, with the linkage kit. Like I said, there are 2 different ones. So this is the part number. That's the hardware and everything, all the gaskets and bolts and all that stuff for the intake. And then the linkage kit is K350 linkage, is actually the one for it. So I'll have links to everything in the description, so you can check all those out. But this is going to be awesome. So thank you so much, David over there at Pierce. I mean, you really helped me out with this thing, and it is killer looking. So I cannot wait to get this thing installed.